So you're here for the announcement? I'm the president of the Bacon Fan Club. Do you want to join my fan club? Well,
I'm actually Jim from Jim's Kitchen, and it's great to see you. I'm hosting a collaboration today with my friend Mindy from Slice of Life. We're going to be doing a collaboration to celebrate bacon. So if you want to make a bacon recipe, join us on National Bacon Day, which is December 30th. All you have to do is post a video on that day. We're using hashtag Bacon Fan Club. Join the Bacon Fan Club today. See you soon. Let me know if you're interested.